From afar, the otter appears a paragon of aquatic grace. A sleek form gliding effortlessly through currents, twisting and turning with seemingly boundless agility. They embody a serene beauty, often depicted as masters of their watery domain. Yet, this perception, while true in moments, masks a deeper, more comical reality. Closer inspection reveals that otters are, in fact, nature's most hilariously clumsy swimmers. Their movements, a blend of power and awkwardness, tell a story of an animal uniquely adapted, but not always elegant. Our journey begins by understanding this paradox. How can such successful predators often appear so disheveled? The answer lies in their very design, the biomechanics of their semi-aquatic existence. Otters aren't pure aquatic marvels like dolphins or seals, they're built for both land and water, a compromise that dictates their unique locomotion. This dual adaptation means that while they are proficient in both environments, they are masters of neither in terms of sheer elegance. It's this biological balancing act that sets the stage for their charming aquatic chaos. Otters possess a torpedo-shaped body, short, powerful limbs, and webbed feet, all perfect for propulsion. Their dense, waterproof fur acts as insulation, crucial for regulating body temperature in cold waters. But these very adaptations, which ensure their survival, also contribute to their unique brand of clumsiness. Unlike fully aquatic species, otters retain a bone structure and muscularity that allows for agility on land, a feature that translates to less streamlined movement in the water. This is the foundation of their wonderfully awkward aquatic ballet. One key to an otter's aquatic movement is its highly flexible spine. This allows for powerful undulating body movements, propelling them through the water with incredible bursts of speed. It's a design optimized for pursuit and acceleration. However, this very flexibility, while providing propulsion, can sometimes make precise, controlled movements more challenging. Imagine trying to make a sharp turn with a whip. The power is there, but fine-tuned directionality requires immense skill, and often, results in a bit of a wobble or an overshot target, especially at speed. Their short, muscular limbs end in webbed paws, which are highly effective for paddling. These webbed feet act as both powerful paddles for bursts of speed and crucial rudders for steering. However, compared to the broad, flat flippers of seals or sea lions, an otter's paws are smaller and designed for a wider range of terrestrial activities. This means that while they can move quickly, their steering can be less precise, leading to exaggerated movements or awkward adjustments when trying to navigate complex underwater environments or chase agile prey. The energy expenditure is high for every maneuver. The otter's tail is a thick, muscular appendage, tapering to a point. It serves multiple purposes, aiding in propulsion, acting as a rudder for steering, and even providing balance on land. In water, it whips and undulates, adding significant power to their swimming strokes. Yet, this powerful appendage can also contribute to their ungainliness. During rapid directional changes or intense hunting, the tail's momentum can sometimes lead to an overcorrection or a slightly unwieldy turn, making their movements less refined and more prone to an enthusiastic, if not entirely controlled, flourish. Otters possess some of the densest fur in the animal kingdom, trapping air to provide insulation. This trapped air also makes them incredibly buoyant, which is a blessing for staying warm and conserving energy at the surface. However, it presents a challenge for controlled diving and maintaining depth. To dive, otters often have to exert significant effort to overcome their natural buoyancy, leading to more energetic, less streamlined descents. This fight against their own design contributes to the appearance of a creature wrestling with the very water it inhabits. Compared to true aquatic specialists, otters often exhibit somewhat limited joint rotation in their hind limbs. While their hips and knees are strong for terrestrial locomotion and powerful swimming kicks, they lack the extreme flexibility seen in, say, a seal's hind flippers, which can rotate forward for land movement. This subtle anatomical difference means that their aquatic maneuvers, particularly complex turns or rapid changes in direction, rely more on full-body undulations and tail power, rather than precise, isolated limb adjustments. The resulting motion is dynamic and strong, but often lacks pinpoint accuracy and fluid grace. With these biomechanical foundations in mind, we turn to their hunting. Otters are formidable predators, but their methods are often less about stealth and surgical precision, and more about sheer energy and tenacity. They frequently hunt by sight and touch in murky waters, which often devolves into an energetic, almost frantic chase. There's a raw, instinctual drive behind their pursuit, rather than the calculated patience of, say, a heron. This approach, while effective, is a prime source of their comical underwater blunders. When an otter spots prey, it's not a graceful stalk, it's often an explosive, winding chase. Their short snouts and strong jaws are designed for crushing, not delicate piercing, meaning they rely on a powerful clamp to secure their meal. This translates into a hunting style that prioritizes speed and agility, often sacrificing a clean, efficient kill for a more chaotic grappling match. The water churns, fish dart, and the otter barrels through, creating a scene that is both impressive in its power and amusing in its lack of refined strategy. Once caught, the prey is often subjected to a vigorous wrestling match. Otters don't typically deliver a swift, precise bite to dispatch their catch. Instead, they thrash and tumble with their meal, often manipulating it with their paws, sometimes even bringing it to the surface. This energetic handling, while effective for subduing struggling prey, often looks clumsy to human observers. It's a method born from their powerful, generalist jaws and their need to secure a slippery meal, highlighting their raw strength over delicate handling. This enthusiastic handling sometimes backfires. It's not uncommon for an otter, in its excitement or during an especially energetic struggle, to accidentally drop its prey. A fish slips from its grip, a crab scuttles away, and the otter must recommence the chase with renewed, often even more frantic, energy. These moments of fumbling are testament to their less-than-perfect fine motor control during high-intensity interactions. It's a comical cycle of capture, drop, and recapture that adds to their endearing awkwardness. Beyond hunting, otters are renowned for their playful nature, and it's in their games that their clumsiness truly shines. Play is not merely entertainment, it's crucial for developing hunting skills, social bonds, and physical fitness. However, this boisterous activity often takes place at high speeds and with unbridled enthusiasm, a perfect recipe for comical missteps. The very same biomechanical traits that make them effective hunters also make them endearingly prone to tumbles, slides, and splashes during their joyous aquatic antics. Perhaps the most iconic display of otter clumsiness is the belly slide. Whether on muddy banks, snowy slopes, or even slick rocks, otters delight in sliding headfirst, often in a cascade of tumbles and unplanned detours. While an efficient way to travel down a slope, it's rarely executed with precision or grace. They launch themselves with abandon, often colliding with siblings or ending in an ungainly pile at the bottom. These slides are a perfect demonstration of their powerful, yet often uncontrolled, momentum. Underwater, their play is equally boisterous. Chasing games involve rapid, twisting movements, often resulting in near misses or accidental bumps. They'll grab hold of kelp or aquatic plants, twirling themselves into comical tangles. Playfighting involves mock bites and energetic rolls, sometimes sending both participants spinning off course. The dense fur and flexible spine, while great for propulsion, make sudden stops or delicate manipulations less probable during these high-octane games. It's a joyful, energetic ballet of blunders. When multiple otters engage in play, the chaos multiplies. They will wrestle, nip, and chase each other in a delightful frenzy. These social interactions are vital for bonding and establishing hierarchies, but they are also rife with comical failures. One otter might accidentally dunk another, or misjudge a leap, leading to an awkward splashdown. It's a testament to their robust physiology that they can endure such rough-and-tumble play with few injuries, a joyful, uninhibited expression of their vigorous, semi-aquatic life. The sheer amount of energy expended during both hunting and play highlights another aspect of otter biology: their incredibly high metabolism. Otters need to eat a significant portion of their body weight daily to sustain this active lifestyle. This constant demand for calories fuels their energetic pursuits, meaning there's little room for slow, precise movements. Every movement, even a clumsy one, serves a purpose in their struggle for survival, from catching a meal to honing their skills for the next hunt. Their chaos is a necessary component of their existence. Despite all the talk of clumsiness, it's crucial to remember that otters are incredibly successful predators. Their awkward biomechanics and hunting techniques are not flaws, but rather a highly effective strategy tailored to their specific niche. Their power, speed, and tenacious wrestling approach, combined with their robust bodies, allow them to thrive in diverse aquatic environments. What appears as clumsiness to us is merely the natural outcome of a body optimized for a dynamic, dual-environment existence, where brute force often triumphs over delicate precision. Ultimately, the otter's clumsiness is part of its undeniable charm. It's what makes watching them so captivating and often laugh-out-loud funny. Their spirited dives, their tumbling play, their vigorous struggles with prey, these are not imperfections, but defining characteristics that paint a vivid picture of their wild lives. They remind us that nature's elegance isn't always about fluid lines and silent movement, but often about vibrant energy, boisterous interaction, and a touch of endearing, chaotic exuberance. So, the next time you encounter an otter, remember the science behind their splendid chaos. Beyond the initial impression of grace, lies a creature whose very design, from flexible spine to webbed paws and dense fur, leads to a wonderfully awkward existence. Their hunting is a spirited brawl, their play a cascade of joyful blunders. Otters are nature's comical contradiction, skilled predators who are hilariously clumsy, yet utterly perfect in their own unique, and highly successful, way. They are a testament to life's ingenious adaptations, and a constant source of wonder and amusement.